Today, we're going to look at Zillow Profile. As a real estate agent, I recommend you get a Zillow profile, not just for people to be able to find you when they're searching Zillow for an agent, but to also validate you when they find you somewhere else. So, for example, if let's say I met someone out and about, or I gave them my social media profile, said, love to work with you. In order for them, they might go, oh, she seems nice. Let's go see, what we can find online about her. So they could go to Zillow profile, they could type in my name right here. And then here I am. So I come up right here. There's my picture, of course, my name, phone number, my 5 stars, 16 reviews, and the latest review I have will be right here. So let's take a click on it and you can see the full profile here. So again, they can come here and they can validate it. They can say, okay, yes, she is a realtor. This is her license number. This is her broker's number. I have a little blurb here about what I do. You can expand it for everything else that I put in here. It's going to show my listings and my sales right here. It's also going to show the map of where they're at. You can see that primarily I do my deals in Orange County and Los Angeles. Down here, they can come and they can see more details. So they can click on the houses that I've sold or that I helped the buyer buy. And then, of course, the good stuff, my ratings and reviews. I have 16 reviews on here. Highly likely to recommend. All of my reviews are 5 stars. And then they can just click through it and they can see what people wrote about me and what they liked right here. But the other important thing is that they can contact me through here. Now, this isn't necessarily why I'm showing you this today, because that's if they're already checking you out, they probably have either your business card or they've connected with you on social media. But it is a way for them to come and validate that you are who you are and that you've done deals, that you have reviews, things like that. And it's all here. And from here, I just make sure this information is updated and that they can click on my website, they can click on my LinkedIn, they can see that I've had my license since 2011, blah, blah, blah. It's all here. Now, the other reason why and first off, just having a Zillow profile is free. It doesn't cost you any money. Zillow do have programs where you can buy leads and you can pay for a premier program, things like this. But I wanted to be clear that just to have your profile here, just to get your information on there, to put your reviews on there, that's all free as of the time I'm making this video anyway. But another reason you might want to have it is because people can go on Zillow and they can search for agents. So let's say, okay, let's try San Diego, California. I'm going to see what's going on there. And here just a ton of course, realtors come up, and who's going to come up first is the people who have a lot of reviews, 5 star ratings, all of the reviews is here. So not some of these people are paying, like you can see here, this is a premium badge. But again, like I mentioned to you, you don't have to pay to be on Zillow. That's a choice that you can make, but you should definitely have a profile on here. Like Greg doesn't have that badge there. He has his profile. He has 524 reviews. They look like they're all 5 star. You just want to make sure that you're here and that you're searchable. So when people do meet you in person, or they do see you on social media and then they go and want to do a little bit more research for you, this is a really easy place for them to come, and it's in your hands to control the information they see on here. Make sure that you put your reviews in here, and then you have another place that's free for online presence.